making a mug donuts type of thing. Kind of, it's cakey, but donut. We're calling it a donut. Okay. Now, this is all the ingredients that we're using. This is for after.
Ooh, let's get the egg in.
We have the egg that's going to be right here. We have sugar, baking powder, butter, a mug that starts with a K because my name is Kasey. Yeah. We have the flour. We have the milk. We have the vanilla. We were going to use cinnamon, but cinnamon is kind of too strong because I've tried it with cinnamon. We have all.
If I were you, I'd like sprinkle some cinnamon on the top.
We have all of our spoon measurement things. And we got the egg again. So this is why I got a bowl for the egg, because if it's a bad egg, then it's separate instead of being in all the mix.
Also, if you get shell in there,
Yeah.
they get so.
So you need 1 egg yolk and butter. So first, we have some butter here. You're going to need to melt your butter. But you're also going to need like 2 of these, right? Yeah, 2 tablespoons. And this is a tablespoon. This is very messy, guys. Hold up, you need this.
Are you just gonna scoop it?
Yeah, it's gonna.
You're supposed to cut it.
It's better to know. Oh gosh, guys, this is gonna be very messy. We forgot something, guys. What is it?
Oh. Did we say we got the sprinkles?
Save the sprinkles. Save the sprinkles.
No, we have rainbow sugar sprinkles, and Kasey wants these
Skulls.
sprinkles in their skulls.
Kind of weird. I'm not like one of those people like dark stuff.
Who was going to that, but I saw these.
So you gotta. Baking is science basically. So you can't have too much, or you can't have too little. That's
just like scrape like that so it's even.
Yeah.
That's gonna be.
And then,
guys, since I was like 4.
Lopez. And then we're gonna we have this to mix everything up and together. So you're gonna need melted butter. So we're just gonna take some of this butter out and then melt it and pop it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. I don't know. You're gonna need 2 scoops of these, so I guess I'll just take this block. Oh gosh, I'm trying not to make a mess right here. It's hard. But I am kind of, not really.
Not really.
I mean, it's on the wrapper. Oh, I gotta get those little holes covered. You know what?
They are covered.
No. Okay, so we're still going. I'm going to take this for the holes. Okay. Well, I'm going to be right back. Hold up, give me a second. We're going to be right back when we're done with the microwaving part and clean up some of the
I'll
stuff.
do the part where you crack the egg.
So we'll be right back. We're back.
And the butter
Is melted. Next, you need the egg. Ow. That's hot. Not hot. But hot. You need 1 egg yolk. Not an egg. These are still. You need 1 egg yolk.
Oh, it's so slippery.
Oh, God. Oh, no, guys. This is a...
Oh, you have to crack it from the side.
I tried. Guys, this is horrible.
Ooh, you should try to make cloud bread one day.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm just over here stirring butter.
Please work good.
Ew, you didn't have to wash your hands after that.
Yeah, no.
Because, we can get sick.
Okay, guys. I think we pretty much got everything out.
Master?
She's gonna stir. Oh, gosh. I'm so scared now because the egg is cracking.
Oh, the shell's cracking. Uh-oh.
This is gonna go over here. Yay!
It looks super yellow now.
Well, Ryleigh. Ooh, it's fun cracking an egg, guys.
AKA a big
Yeah, we have parent supervision.
Okay.
So now we gotta move on to the flour. I hope we have enough. If not, then it's gonna be bad. Yes.
There's not that much stuff in here. Like,
Well, actually, it's not that. Guys, make sure you have a thing like this so then it gets everywhere. And then the most satisfying part of all times.
oh yes.
Don't mix it all. Don't mix it. You have to wait until you get every single ingredient, even the vanilla part. And then, guys, we're not using cinnamon, we're using vanilla. But you can totally use cinnamon,
And
vanilla.
I'm gonna put cinnamon on top of mine.
Yeah, you can add cinnamon as like a decoration.
Well, I'm not adding it as decoration. I'm adding it for a lot more
Flavor, it's perfectly fine. Just, I've tried it with the cinnamon, and it's not that good. It's just too much cinnamon.
I mean, I would, but I'd put it on top.
And then,
After it's done.
oh, that looks so weird. Okay, now we gotta move on to sugar.
Let's move this up to the
Gotta close it. Oops, it almost flew all the way. Whatever. Let's see if we can open this up. Nope. Guys, I need to work out until we open our lid. It's kind of chunky. No, I'm just
use right here
I want whatever.
to rub it out.
No, I'm so bad. Good enough.
Sugar is hard to clean.
Mm-hmm.
Sugar that's in there. But there's less sugar in cotton candy than there is in cakes.
Fun fact. I have no clue what you just said, but fun fact. Oh, wait. We're doing the wrong thing, guys. You need milk. We're using all milk.
Oh, you know what we didn't say? How much of this do you need?
You only need 2
2 what?
tablespoons.
Tablespoons, yes. I knew what it was.
You need 1 tablespoon of milk. Guys,
tablespoons.
it's going to be scary, so I'm going to do it over here. I'm good at pouring stuff, so.
Don't add too much sugar. Actually, yeah, that's how you do it.
I'm like shaking.
Actually, you could do a little bit more. Why does it like
Whatever. We're good.
Okay.
It was good enough. Okay, guys.
Now for the slurry.
No, not yet. You gotta wait. No, we don't have to wash this because we don't need it anymore. Then you're gonna need 1.5 tablespoon, teaspoon
My turn.
of baking powder.
Well, you know what? If you had powdered sugar, we could put that on top too.
I think we do. I don't know.
Because it would make it look pretty and have
And
it taste better. I don't know.
baking powder.
I don't swear it's like it wouldn't it doesn't have like the hole in the middle.
It's okay. Don't be a cake.
Because the people in the video did.
Yeah, we got this from a video. We're not trying to steal it from anyone. It's just we got it from a video.
We're testing it.
We're testing it for you guys, so you don't have to do it.
Yes, but do it if this works.
And it's probably gonna taste good. Guys, I'm so careful.
I actually tasted vanilla plain, like without anything. It tasted like nothing. It tasted horrible because it tasted like nothing.
It smells good.
Well, it's gonna. That does smell good.
Nice catch, Kasey.
Is it time to stir?
Yes.
It is.
Yeah, let's mix it. I said we can mix together. You hold the top.
That's not even a lot of stuff in there.
It's not, but it's
It
gonna
looks like
grow bigger.
You should show them.
Guys, it looks so doughy.
So
Well, duh, it's a donut. It's a doughy.
Oh, you know what?
That's what it looks
If
like.
you had like donut molds, we could have put that in the donut mold.
Oh yeah.
And if you guys ever had duck donuts, this is gonna taste like their donuts, kind of. Tastes like cake, but not cake. Like the
You gotta make sure
texture,
you get
like
all the
cake.
sides too, because you can't miss out on anything. so you just gotta like pat everything down. I'm an expert at baking.
So I've been baking for that's long side of the week.
So this looks pretty good. I wanna like wait. Stay. Get on. Okay. Well. Well, I'm gonna go, guys, and wash the stuff off. Ryleigh, please hold this for me. I'm gonna go wash some stuff off. We'll be back when we have the donut. And this is how you do it. This is how you cook the donut. When you do this, you have to just pop it in the microwave for like a minute 30. It becomes like that.
It looks like mustard.
We'll be back. Hey guys, we're back. I'm gonna use. Don't touch it. It's hot.
No, it's not. It's just warm.
Guys,
It looks like that.
that looks pretty good.
It looks like duck
I
dough.
burned my
No,
finger.
it looks like sponge.
I burnt my finger trying to get it out.
I'm gonna scoop some into this bowl.
So we have, yeah. So if you don't have to be just weird and stuff. We have my school sprinkles, cinnamon, more sugar, and
powdered sugar because powdered sugar is recommended.
So this is how you do it. Oh, it's so bouncy.
It's even cooked all the way.
It is.
It's like a piece of cake.
You can have this.
Oh, well, that actually smells like a donut.
So Ryleigh's gonna start decorating hers.
I'm gonna use powdered sugar. I'm gonna use pretty much everything except the skulls. I don't want skulls. I think I'm gonna use this spoon to sprinkle some more.
I'm just gonna crush mine up. And then just put everything on it. Top.
Ooh, this is looking good.
Actually, what, guys? Since I am short, I'm over here going to get some chocolate. I know it's weird, but.
Oh, I wish we knew how to make frosting. That would make it so much more better. And it's a little.
So guys, this is what I made.
Little
I use this. This is good chocolate for like decorating stuff, like cake pops. I have not seen my last video. We actually use that for my cake pops and stuff.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, that's cinnamon. Woo!
Ooh, I love this one.
Cinnamon.
Ooh, you know what? You should.
Guys, look how cool this is. I don't think I'm gonna use it, but I want to see how cool this is.
This is mine. The white stuff is powdered sugar.
I'm not trying it out.
I'm gonna start cooking on mine.
Okay, she's gonna start and try it. Foil. I want to see what it looks like. That's satisfying. But
Oh,
foil. Do I want to put it in? I guess I'll add like a piece.
it's good. But it needs more flavor.
Yeah, I would think so too. I burned my finger trying to get the mug out of the microwave, guys, but it's for the video, so. Okay.
It tastes good. I'm gonna add some more cinnamon now. I love cinnamon.
I have chocolate to mine.
I put a lot of cinnamon on.
I'm gonna put a lot of powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar is so good.
Guys, we're making a mess for the decorating right now. I can't stop it, like in the powdered sugar. I'm gonna add the skulls. I'm gonna try skulls.
Can't even taste the cinnamon that I added.
The skulls are just like hard candy.
I'm gonna add some more of this because it needs it. Tastes so good with it. Like French toast and powdered sugar is the best.
My finger hurts so bad, but for you guys. I'm trying to get some chocolate because I put chocolate in here. If you hear barking, those are just my dogs.
Yeah, lazy dogs. It's so crumbly. At the end of this video, we're gonna rate this and see what we rated on. Right now,
I think it'd be about like a 5.
but if you just add some powdered sugar and a dash, like a little bit of cinnamon on top, it makes it so much more better. Like right now, I'd say it would be a 8.
Oh, are we doing it out of 10?
Mhm.
Oh, I was doing it out of 5.
Oh.
Oh, I gave it a 10 too. You don't have to add any of these ingredients that we added. Well, it was when you're making the donut, yes. But the toppings, you totally do not have to. They're just there for us.
Yeah. But
We
these
just-
toppings are optional. So you can use them if you want. I'd recommend it.
If you want a good donut, or guys, if you melt chocolate, you put it on, or like cinnamon. For this could be like for a birthday cake, or like breakfast in bed, something like that.
I'm making this every morning, but I don't even have the ingredients, so.
Okay, guys. Well,
Honestly, you don't even need the egg, but it just helps it rise.
so that's all we have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hold up, I'm gonna move you guys so you can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. That's my Riley's, which is actually
finished.
gone.
But
So-
I showed them mine.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.